Hey guys, welcome to Big Sugar. Have a little bit of bad news today. Came down in the apiary and just had a quick look around. And this hive, specifically, this double palmer, has had a pesticide kill. And you know that because there is a huge pile of dead bees that weren't here yesterday. There's a little bit out of this hive too, but this one here on both sides of the double have lost maybe a couple thousand bees overnight. This was not here yesterday. So almost certainly a neonicotinoid kill, something that they've got into, and it has killed all these bees. First time I've seen it out here. Not going to be the last because we are in the middle of industrial agriculture and pesticides are used every day. Anyways, thought you'd enjoy that. Something to learn every day in the apiary.